Hi. Today I have an Euro cylinder. It's a dome. It's a dimple lock, um, two-sided Euro cylinder with interesting two red dots. I have no idea what they mean. I tried to search a bit, but I did not find anything. So if someone knows, just please put it in the comments. And there are no markings except there are 5 and I here, or something like 1 and 5. And it's a 5-pin dimple lock with a long 4th pin, and others are pretty short, especially the second one. No marking on the key. Use one, and the thing is that I picked it a couple of times, and every time is a totally different feeling. So I have no idea what is happening in the lock, what kind of pins there are. They put it in here, and I don't know what the red dot means. One thing I can tell you, it's probably some security pins. I'm expecting maybe the floating wafer pins, because there's a strange feelings when I'm pinning, especially pin number 3. But yeah, and sometimes, as I said, I can pick it in a minute, sometimes in like 10 minutes. So we'll see how it goes now. So yeah, let's start. I'm using the straight flag. It's easier, and the keyway is pretty wide open. Come on, focus. So it doesn't matter. So yeah, let's start. 1 nothing, 2 it's binding from start. So there's a click from 2. Now let's continue with 3 it's binding, and there is a 1 click, and there is a second click, like serrated, but I'm not sure if it's serrated or not. So while I'm going back, I think I picked pin number 1, so nothing on 4, and 5 I think is binding. Small click from 5, I think. So let's go from start, and I touch pin number 1, and I'm in full set. It's strange how I hold it. I'm holding this, so yeah, and I touch pin number 1, and it's open. And probably pin 1 is a T-pin, but I'm not sure. So yeah, this was a fast pick, because I know when I got the full set, and probably pin 1 is the one that I need to pick it. So let's disassemble it, because I have no idea what is inside. I will try to use to not disassemble it, properly disassemble it. I'll try to use how it's called, the front loader. Hopefully I will learn how to use this. Yes, that's how it's done. This still is still a bit, I don't want to lock it, because I want to use the front loader. So this is a circle that is yeah, it's used. This lock is probably used a lot on some door. So let me use this part, and hopefully, yes, I can slide. Oops, where are the pins? The pins are here, and as you can see, it's a pretty used lock. So I really want to see what is inside. I'm hoping wafer, but I have no idea. Usually they're the interesting ones. So let's first go with the pins. top pins, so standard, bomb like, and the last one was standard. So yeah, pretty nothing done on the core, but the pins are pretty. The second one is with the drill protection, and the other ones, this is pretty badly. I'll try to clean it a bit. So it's a messy used lock, that's how it is. So that's the bomb like pin, and the fifth one, it's a standard. So let's try to use the front loader. The first pin, come on, yes, it's a T-pin. And ooh, oh no, I will not get the springs. This is a mess now. The second one, standard. Oops, maybe I was wrong. The third one, yes, that's the wafer pin. Floating wafers, and that's high note. Yeah, that's awesome. Come on, the fourth one. Oops, probably I got, but I did not fill the wafers. I don't really know, so probably it was like that. And the front loader is pretty messy now. It's black, not yellow one. So I'll try somehow to clean. There is one of the pins. It's pretty messy. I made a big mess, but because this is a used lock, it is what it is. But the pins are pretty interesting one. Here's that wafer pin, and on the one side, this is a factory made. There is that how they build it, and on the other side, it's a normal. That's awesome. Now let's check the. This is the T-pin. Probably it was like that, or doesn't matter. And here's that short wafer, and probably this is here because they're always trying to make the stack same size. So this is a longer, this is the shorter pin, so usually this is a longer, this is the shorter pin. So here is the second wafer. This is with two floating wafers, and this is with 1 2 3 with 3. So yeah, a bit messy lock, but that's not a problem. So yeah, that was the unknown DOM dimple lock. I don't know the number, so maybe someone knows something about this lock with a red dot. Maybe it's like red dot award, something like that. I'm not sure. That was the DOM dimple lock pick and got it. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.